Experiencing the frustrating problem where your GPU fans are spinning, but there's no display signal on your monitor. This common PC issue can be incredibly annoying, but we've got the definitive solutions right now to fix GPU fans spinning, no display signal. First, let's tackle the simplest cause, your cables. Power down your PC completely, unplug all display cables from both your graphics card and monitor, then firmly reconnect them. Try a different display port or even a different monitor, as loose connections or faulty cables are frequent culprits. If checking cables doesn't work, the problem often lies deeper with hardware, leading us to method 2. Power off, open your PC case. Carefully remove and then reseat your graphics card in its PCI slot, ensuring it's fully seated. While in there, gently remove and reinsert your RAM sticks. These actions ensure proper electrical contact, resolving intermittent hardware recognition issues. Still no luck? Our third method involves resetting your motherboard's BIOS settings. With your PC powered off and unplugged, locate the CMOS battery and remove it for about 30 seconds before reinserting it. This clears corrupted BIOS settings that might prevent your GPU from initializing. Finally, if you're still seeing GPU fans spinning with no display signal, we address drivers and power. Boot into Windows Safe Mode. Uninstall current display drivers using DDU, then download and install the latest drivers directly from NVIDIA or AMD. Outdated drivers are a prime suspect. Additionally, double-check all power connections to your GPU from your power supply unit, ensuring they are secure and that your PSU has sufficient wattage. These steps systematically eliminate common points of failure, getting your display back online quickly.